Ah, jollof rice. The mere mention of this dish evokes a symphony of aromas that can transport you to the heart of Nigeria. It's a dish that has transcended borders and become a beloved staple in many homes around the world, and a burst of vibrant color that is as pleasing to the eyes as it is to the palate. The rich red hue of the tomato sauce, the golden accents of perfectly cooked rice, and the green of fresh herbs create a visual feast. It's not just food, it's a cultural emblem, a symbol of celebration and a source of national pride in Nigeria. Whether it's a wedding, a birthday, or a casual get-together, jollof rice is always at the center of the festivities, bringing people together in joy and unity. Our jollof rice is legendary, whispered about in hushed tones from Lagos to London. It's a dish that has sparked friendly rivalries and debates, with each region claiming to have the best version. But no matter where you taste it, the essence of Nigerian jollof remains the same. Imagine a steaming pot of fluffy long-grain rice, each grain lovingly coated in a rich tomato-based sauce. The sauce is the soul of the dish, made from fresh tomatoes, red bell peppers, onions, and a blend of spices that give it its distinctive flavor. The aroma is intoxicating, a heady blend of smoky spices, onions, and peppers. As the ingredients meld together, they create a scent that fills the kitchen and beckons everyone to the table. It's a smell that promises warmth, comfort, and satisfaction. It's a dish that tantalizes all the senses, a true testament to the ingenuity of Nigerian cuisine. The taste is a harmonious balance of sweet, savory, and spicy, with each bite offering a new layer of flavor. The texture is equally delightful, with the rice being perfectly cooked to a tender yet firm consistency. But what truly sets Nigerian jollof apart is its versatility. It's a dish that can be adapted to suit any occasion or preference. Whether you like it mild or spicy, with meat or vegetarian, there's a version of jollof rice for everyone. It's a blank canvas for culinary creativity. Chefs and home cooks alike can experiment with different ingredients and techniques to put their own spin on the classic recipe. The possibilities are endless, and each variation brings something unique to the table. From succulent chicken and beef to plump prawns and smoked fish, the protein possibilities are endless. Each protein adds its own flavor and texture to the dish, making it even more satisfying and delicious. The combination of proteins and the rich, flavorful rice creates a meal that is both hearty and wholesome. It's a dish that can stand alone or be paired with a variety of sides to create a complete feast. And let's not forget the vibrant array of vegetables that add a burst of freshness and color. From bell peppers and carrots to peas and green beans, the vegetables not only enhance the flavor, but also add a nutritional boost to the dish. They make the jollof rice even more appealing and satisfying, ensuring that every bite is a delightful experience. Creating a healthy and delicious pot of Nigerian jollof rice is like conducting an orchestra. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in creating a harmonious blend of flavors and textures. And just like a conductor strives for balance, we too can create a healthier version of this beloved dish without compromising on taste. First, we have our star performer long-grain rice. This forms the foundation of our dish, providing a fluffy and satisfying base. Next comes the heart of the jollof orchestra tomatoes. These vibrant red gems lend their sweetness and acidity, forming the base of our flavorful sauce. Onions, garlic, and ginger add depth and complexity, while Scotch bonnet peppers bring the heat. But fear not, the level of spiciness is entirely up to you. To enhance the smoky flavor, we use a secret weapon, smoked paprika. This adds a layer of depth that is simply irresistible. Now let's orchestrate this culinary symphony. First, we blend our tomatoes, onions, peppers, garlic, and ginger into a smooth, vibrant sauce. This blend is the foundation of our dish, and it's essential to get it just right. The tomatoes bring a rich, tangy base, while the onions add a touch of sweetness. The peppers contribute a subtle heat, and the garlic and ginger infuse the blend with a warm, aromatic depth. Take your time to blend these ingredients until they form a cohesive, velvety mixture. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for the flavors to meld beautifully later on. This is the heart and soul of our jollof rice, so don't be afraid to adjust the quantities to your liking. If you prefer a spicier kick, add more peppers. If you enjoy a sweeter undertone, increase the amount of onions. The beauty of this recipe lies in its flexibility. You can tailor it to suit your personal taste preferences, making it uniquely yours. Once you've achieved the perfect blend, pour it into a bowl and set it aside. This vibrant sauce will be the star of our dish, infusing every grain of rice with its rich, complex flavors. Next, we heat a generous amount of oil in a large pot. The oil serves as the medium through which our flavors will be developed and intensified. It's important to use a pot with a heavy bottom to ensure even heating and prevent burning. As the oil heats up, you'll notice it becoming more fluid and shimmering slightly. This is the perfect time to move on to the next step. Here's where our healthy twist comes in. We'll be using less oil than traditional recipes call for. By reducing the amount of oil, we're making this dish lighter and healthier without compromising on flavor. Measure out the oil carefully, ensuring you have just enough to sauté the onions and other ingredients. This small adjustment makes a big difference, allowing the natural flavors of the ingredients to shine through. Once the oil is hot, we add our chopped onions and sauté until softened and fragrant. The onions should sizzle gently as they hit the hot oil, releasing their natural sugars and becoming translucent. This process not only softens the onions but also enhances their sweetness, adding a lovely depth to our dish. Stir the onions occasionally to ensure they cook evenly and don't burn. Then we introduce our tomato blend and allow it to simmer, deepening in flavor with every passing minute. As the blend simmers, the flavors will concentrate and meld together, creating a rich, aromatic base for our jollof rice. Be patient during this step, as the longer the sauce simmers, the more intense and complex the flavors will become. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. Now, it's time to add our spices: curry powder, thyme, bay leaves, and of course our secret weapon, smoked paprika. Each spice brings its own unique character to the dish. The curry powder adds a warm, earthy note, while the thyme contributes a subtle, herbaceous flavor. The bay leaves infuse the sauce with a slightly floral aroma, and the smoked paprika provides a deep smoky undertone that elevates the entire dish. Measure out the spices carefully and add them to the pot, stirring well to ensure they are evenly distributed. These aromatic additions infuse the sauce with layers of complexity, transforming it into a culinary masterpiece. As the spices meld with the tomato blend, you'll notice the sauce taking on a deeper, richer color and a more intense aroma. This is a sign that the flavors are developing beautifully. Continue to stir the sauce occasionally, allowing the spices to fully integrate and enhance the overall flavor profile. We then add our protein of choice, allowing it to cook through in the flavorful sauce. Whether you choose chicken, beef, or a plant-based alternative, the protein will absorb the rich aromatic flavors of the sauce, becoming tender and delicious. Make sure to cut the protein into bite-sized pieces to ensure even cooking. Stir the pot occasionally, ensuring the protein is fully coated in the sauce and cooks evenly. This step not only adds substance to the dish but also enhances the overall flavor, making each bite a delightful experience. The Jollof Wars: Nigeria versus the rest. This is a culinary battle that has been raging for years, sparking debates, friendly rivalries, and even social media wars. It's a topic that can ignite passionate discussions at any gathering, be it a family dinner or an international food festival. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the great Jollof rice debate. This isn't just about food, it's about national pride, cultural heritage, and the love for a dish that transcends borders. Jollof rice is more than a meal. It's a symbol of identity and tradition for many West Africans. You see, Nigeria isn't the only country that claims this dish as its own. The origins of jollof rice are deeply rooted in the history of West Africa, with each country adding its own unique twist to the recipe. From the bustling markets of Lagos to the vibrant streets of Accra and the coastal towns of Senegal, jollof rice is a beloved staple. Our West African neighbors, Ghana and Senegal, also have their own versions of jollof rice, each with its own unique characteristics. These variations are a testament to the rich culinary diversity of the region, showcasing how a single dish can be interpreted in multiple delicious ways. Ghanaian jollof, for instance, is known for its slightly smoky flavor, achieved by using a combination of basmati and long-grain rice. This blend of rice types gives the dish a unique texture and taste, setting it apart from other versions. The smoky flavor is often enhanced by cooking the rice over an open flame, adding a rustic touch to the dish. It also often includes shito, a spicy Ghanaian black pepper sauce, adding an extra kick. Shito is a versatile condiment that can be used in various dishes, but it truly shines when paired with jollof rice, providing a burst of heat and flavor that complements the smoky undertones. Senegalese jollof, on the other hand, called siboujeen, typically features fish and vegetables cooked in a tomato-based sauce. This version of jollof rice is deeply influenced by Senegal's coastal geography, where fresh seafood is abundant. The fish adds a savory depth to the dish, while the vegetables provide a balance of flavors and textures. It's often served with a side of fried plantains, adding a touch of sweetness. The combination of savory and sweet elements makes sibujen a well-rounded and satisfying meal, reflecting the harmonious blend of flavors that is characteristic of Senegalese cuisine. While we can all agree that jollof rice in all its forms is a delicious and celebratory dish, it's more than just food. It's a way to bring people together, to celebrate cultural heritage, and to share the joy of a meal with loved ones. Whether it's a festive occasion or a simple family dinner, jollof rice has a special place in the hearts of many. I think we can also agree that Nigerian jollof reigns supreme. The bold flavors, the vibrant colors, and the rich history behind it make Nigerian jollof a standout. It's a dish that has been perfected over generations, with each family adding their own secret ingredients and techniques to create the ultimate version. Our version is all about achieving the perfect balance of flavors: the smoky depth, the subtle sweetness, the spicy kick, and the rich, tomatoey base. It's a symphony of tastes that come together to create a truly unforgettable dish. The process of making Nigerian jollof is an art form, requiring patience, skill, and a deep understanding of the ingredients. From selecting the ripest tomatoes to achieving the perfect consistency of the rice, every step is crucial in creating the perfect jollof rice. And let's not forget the joy it brings to those who eat it. Nigerian jollof rice is often the centerpiece of family gatherings, celebrations, and special occasions. It's a dish that brings people together, creating memories and strengthening bonds. The sight of a steaming pot of jollof rice is enough to make anyone's mouth water and heart warm. Beyond the home, Nigerian jollof rice is also a popular street food, enjoyed by people from all walks of life. From roadside stalls to high-end restaurants, this dish is a beloved part of Nigerian cuisine. It's a testament to its versatility and universal appeal, proving that great food knows no boundaries. The preparation of Nigerian jollof rice is a labor of love. It involves slow cooking the rice in a rich tomato sauce, allowing the flavors to meld together beautifully. The addition of spices like thyme, curry powder, and bay leaves adds depth and complexity to the dish, making each bite a delightful experience. The ingredients used in Nigerian jollof rice are simple yet flavorful. Fresh tomatoes, onions, and peppers form the base of the sauce, while spices like ginger, garlic, and paprika add a punch of flavor. The key is to use fresh, high-quality ingredients to ensure the best possible taste. Nigerian jollof rice is often served with a variety of accompaniments, such as grilled chicken, fried plantains, and a fresh salad. These side dishes complement the rich flavors of the jollof rice, creating a well-balanced and satisfying meal. Whether you're enjoying it at a family dinner or a festive celebration, Nigerian jollof rice is sure to impress. In conclusion, while the jollof wars may never truly be settled, one thing is certain: jollof rice in all its forms is a beloved and iconic dish that brings joy to many. Whether you prefer the smoky flavors of Ghanaian jollof, the seafood-rich Senegalese sibujen, or the perfectly balanced Nigerian jollof, there's no denying the magic of this West African culinary treasure. So, the next time you sit down to a plate of jollof rice, take a moment to appreciate the rich history, cultural significance, and the love that goes into making this incredible dish. It's more than just food, it's a celebration of West African heritage and a testament to the power of good food to bring people together. And remember, no matter where you are or which version you prefer, jollof rice is a dish that unites us all in our love for great food. So here's to the jollof wars and the delicious journey it takes us on. Enjoy every bite. So there you have it, a glimpse into the world of Nigerian jollof rice. This dish is more than just a meal, it's a celebration of life, a testament to our culinary heritage, and a source of national pride. And while the debate over whose jollof reigns supreme may rage on, one thing is for sure: this is a dish that will continue to tantalize taste buds and bring people together for generations to come. If this culinary journey has sparked your curiosity and ignited your taste buds, then I invite you to subscribe to my blog. Join me as we delve deeper into the heart of Nigerian cuisine, exploring the vibrant flavors, aromatic spices, and rich cultural heritage that make our food so unique.